Okay, good day to everyone. Thank you for coming for our scheduled briefing for the Rizal earthquake incident. Today is September 16, exactly at 1800 hours. So as per we request our respondents to turn down your radios po natin, mga cellphone po, i-silent mode muna natin para we need your full attention to the matter. Now, to describe it, this is our ICS team for the incident command. As for September 16 po today, we have already approved. We have an approved incident action plan. This opens a horizon of a 12-hour operation starting tomorrow, September 17, at 0600 hours, and it will end at September 17 at exactly 1800 hours. Now, we will be mobilizing a total of 155 responders in these operations. Now, to give you the current situation of the incident, we call our operation section chief, Sir J.B. Paperata. Sir.
Thank you, Sir Man. As you all know, tinamaan po ng earthquake ang municipal ng Rizal, kaya po tayo nandito lahat. At ang current situation po natin ngayon, as of 1500 hours, September 16, 20XX, aftershocks were observed in Rizal. Emergency response are ongoing. 10 reports of dead and several missing. 20 families po ang na-evacuate na natin. Ang electrical power po natin is out, so wala po tayong kuryente doon. Central Highway Bridge, ito po yun is damaged. So hindi po siya passable as of now. Pero ang maganda pong balita is dumating na po yung ating request na resources. Yun po. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, sa ating mga responders po, expected din tomorrow with regards po sa ating weather forecast. As forecasted po, tomorrow will be a fair weather naman po early in the morning. It runs between 25 to 28 degrees Celsius, so medyo September po ngayon. But there is a forecast na there would be, on this area, makakaroon po ng mga minor showers in the afternoon. So heads up po tayo doon, especially during the operation. Now we turn you back to our operations section chief, Sir Jimmy, for the safety briefing. For the operation assignment.
Thank you po ulit, Sir Man. Mga team leader po, magsilapit na lang po. Ang naka-assign po sa task force, search, rescue, and retrieve ay mga PNPs, SRR, medical team, and ambulance. Yun po. Tapos, andito po ba sila? Yes! Okay po. Ang task force road clearing naman po ay binubuo ng ating front loader, earth mover, engineering team. Yun po. Andito po ba? Okay po, nice one. Ang task force evacuation naman po is binubuo rin po natin PNP team, volunteers at ating service vehicles. Dito po ba? Yes, sir. Okay po. At ang medical team naman po natin ay ang ating emergency medical technicians. Dito po ba? Yes. Okay po. Kailangan po namin kayo. So, yun po. Kung may mga katanungan po kayo or worries, mag-refer na lang po kayo sa 4204 para sa inyong specific areas of assignments. Ayun po. Or i-approach nyo lang po ako kung may tanong po kayo. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, we remind everyone during the briefing po, I guess we believe that everybody has a handout of the approved incident action plan. So, with that plan po, review na rin po with us or after this briefing po para mas maganda po yung grupo ng ating operations tomorrow. For safety briefing po, we turn you to our safety officer, Nelson Roque. Sir.
Thank you, sir. Good morning sa lahat. For our safety briefing, officers always wear proper PPEs and gear, prioritize the safety of everyone involved, and follow established procedures and report any concerns immediately. Your vigilance and quick action can make a crucial difference. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sir Nelson. For our logistical concerns, particularly for the mga deployment po nating food, water, communication po, it will be discussed with our logistical officer, Ma'am Norly Almanza.
So, good morning po. Para sa ating logistic concern regarding the current situation here in the town of Rizal, ini-encourage ko po ang lahat na i-review ang kasalukuyang sitwasyon at gumawa ng naangkop na mga aksyon. Para sa lahat ng foods and water concern, lumapit lamang po dito sa ICP at i-approach po. At kailangan natin tiyakin ng mga sapat na supplies at resources ay available upang suportahan ang ating mga pangangailangan. Together we face this challenge with courage and resolve. Stay safe po.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Baji. Ma'am Norly pala. So may we call also our for information plan and updates po, we will call our PIO, Ma'am Baji Lagman.
So magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Ngayon po, this briefing serves as a communication update regarding the current earthquake incident here at the town of Rizal. So I am Evangeline Lagman po, your assigned public information officer is focused on disseminating accurate and timely information to the public and media and internal stakeholders. So please direct all information requests or concerns to me, or you can contact me on 0915-277-500, or we have a designated media here. You can approach here and contact me. Thank you. Stay safe.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Baji. With regards sa ating mga cooperating agency, to give us an update kung acknowledge na rin po yung mga nandito po ngayon sa ating briefing room, Sir June Carlaso, our logistical officer.
Thank you po. Good morning, everyone. With our cooperating agencies joining us, Rizal Medical Center, LGU Rizal, particularly the 4 LGUs, Alabang City, Bani, Mabini, Burgos, thank you. To our men in uniform, Sir, Ma'am, we need your support and cooperation to ensure a swift and effective response. Please review our attached incident action plan and contact us anytime if there is a way to improve our response efforts with you. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Sir Don Carlo. May we also brief you regarding our financial concerns. So we have our finance officer.
Stop ko lang muna sandali. Yung huling nagsalita, kasi sinabi niyo logistic. Ano ba siya? Logistic or liaison?
Liaison officer po.
Okay.
Liaison officer po. Is that correct?
Thank you.
And for our finance concern, we call Sir Ulysses Ison.
So, good morning po sa ating mga responders. So, una po is kailangan siguraduhin po natin naka-time in po tayo at naka-log out po sa tamang oras. Ito po ay napakahalaga kasi para matrack po natin yung ating mga personnel, lalo na po kung sa overtime and sa hazard. Then, pangalawa po is lahat po ng mga gastos po natin is dapat naka-document po at dumaan po sa tamang proseso. So kung kailangan po natin, hindi po natin maiwasan na magkailangan po ng supplies at may mabibilhan naman po dun sa malapit na nakadeployan po natin is pwede po tayong bumili pero kailangan po natin ipa-OR o yung official receipt. So pangatlo po is kung kailangan kung meron pong mga nasira na makagamitan po natin is kailangan po i-coordinate niyo po sa amin at kailangan pong i-document din po. So, yun lamang po, mabuhay po tayo mga responders.
Okay, thank you very much, Sir Yuri. And to give us us the closing remarks, we call our Incident Commander, Sir Kyle Perez.
Good morning, everyone. I want to thank you all for being here and for your quick response. I know this isn't easy and I know the pressure is high, but I know the skills, the dedication, and the perseverance of everyone that you're trying to give. Stay sharp, look out for each and everyone, and stay safe.
Okay, so thank you, sir. For the next briefing schedule, take note na lang po doon sa ating paper po ninyo. Pakinote na lang po tomorrow, September 17 at 2000 hours. That's 8 p.m. po tomorrow. So that's all. Thank you very much for coming for our